Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve error on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.